Hi, I am Johnny, and welcome to Advanced Projects in Electron 4, React, and Redux. I am the author of this course, and I will deliver all the sections, so please get used to me because we have quite a journey ahead of us. A little bit about me now. I am a software engineer with more than 5 years of experience in the industry. I have a Master of Science in Computer Science Engineering. I am specialized in web development with a focus on building fast and scalable backends. I have worked for the last couple of years with the MERN stack, so MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. I have a ton of experience building real products for big clients, and I really love my job. If you want more information about me or you'd like to contact me, please visit my website, learjohnny.com. You can find my email, my LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, and everything else there. This course aims to teach you how to build real-world projects with Electron. This video provides you with a glimpse of the entire course. Electron is a framework that enables us to build desktop applications using web technologies. In this course, we will use the most advanced web technologies to solve the real-world problems with Electron. Now let's take a look at the sections of this course. We have in total 7 sections. Section number 1, Deep Dive into Electron.js. So we will take a look at Electron.js, the framework, and we will see how its architecture and functionalities are structured. Then we have our first real-world application that we will build. Section number 2, the how to build this new application, the to-do app, using React and Electron.js. And this will get us comfortable with building applications with the help of React into Electron. So I wanted to show you real quick what this application looks like beforehand, so you guys can get excited about all the things that we are building in this course. The application looks like this. We have a to-do application, a simple one, but still it's really powerful because we are using React to build it. Let me get back to our sections, and we have the third and the fourth section that are dedicated to building our second real-world application of this course, our movie player application. We will build this with the help of React and Redux, and also we will be a lot more careful about the user interface to make a really good and beautiful experience for our users. Let me show you what this application looks like. This is our application, the second one, the movie player, and as you can see now we have a user interface that is a lot better, and our users can get excited by using our application. So now let's go back to the sections, and we have section 5 and 6 where we will develop our third application of this course, which is a YouTube to MP3 downloader with React and Redux. Let me show you right away what this application looks like. The application looks like that, and if you can see, it feels super native to Windows 10. The user interface is really the one that all the applications in Windows 10 have, and also it's a super useful app because you can download your videos from YouTube and convert them to an MP3 file. So super exciting stuff. And then our last sections will be dedicated to releasing these amazing applications. So will be about releasing Electron apps for Mac and Windows. Now let's go ahead and let's talk a bit about the requirements of this course. This is an advanced course, so it is required from you to have previous familiarity with Electron. Also, you don't need to have previous knowledge of React and Redux. I will explain to you all the steps to build our applications, even if you don't know React or Redux. But still, if you know them, it's a help, of course. Then, you will need a desktop or a laptop that can run the Chrome browser. If your laptop can run the Chrome browser, you're all set to go and you can install all the things that we need for this course. And lastly, the most important requirement for this course is that you guys have the motivation to learn. And that is all that you need if you want to go ahead in this course and in all the industry of software development. So just be motivated to learn new things and everything will go just fine. So what are the goals of this course? Well, we have a lot of goals for this course. So please be ready to get tired of doing so much things, but still you should be really happy because we will learn a lot. So the goals of this course are, first of all, we will develop robust desktop applications using web technologies. Then our second goal is building applications that work well on both Windows and Mac OS from a single code base, which is super important because you will save a lot of time by having a single code base that works on both operating systems. Then we will learn how to integrate powerful front-end technologies like React and Redux into Electron.js applications. And this is super important to create advanced applications with Electron, because our front-end side of the application will be advanced and powerful, so the whole application will feel better and more native. Then our fourth goal is releasing these applications for Windows and Mac OS. And after that, our last goal for this course is to learn how to build a lucrative, something that brings a lot of money, that's the meaning of lucrative, building a lucrative, ready-to-sell desktop application. So right now, everybody's focusing on web and mobile. And of course, there is a good reason why, but still, there are a lot of problems that can be solved only on desktop applications. And right now, there are only a few competitors in the world of desktop applications, because everybody is focusing on mobile and desktop. So the desktop is really empty, and you can build an application that reaches the top of the marketplace super easily. So I really recommend you to stick around with this course, and we will learn and achieve all these goals that I have listed. So now that we know what lies ahead of us, let's dive right into the course.